Okay, just a quick game of can you identify the picture? In this one, we get two planets. Do you know what planets they are? Let's start with the one on the left. Which planet is it? Well, if you guessed Mars, you're correct. And which planet is on the right? New Mexico. That's right. This is planet New Mexico. Well, actually, it's planet New Mexico, Arizona, because on the other side of the planet, if you were to travel across this spherical planet all the way to where the horizon is, where we can't see beyond the sphere, and you went on the other side of this sphere, you would be in Arizona. So this is planet New Mexico, Arizona. If you want to know how the planet New Mexico, Arizona formed, make sure you stay till the end of the video. This next picture is a pretty easy one. What is it? Of course, it's Earth from space. However, not everybody believes in space, so maybe we'll just call it Earth from a high altitude. But that leads us to the next picture, which is this one. What are we looking at now? That's right, it's a perfectly flat ceiling, but we're looking at it through a prism. Now, a prism, of course, is a triangle, and all three sides are perfectly flat. There's no curvature whatsoever on the prism. So why is it that when I look through a prism, I see a flat object become curved? And it's basically the same exact curve that you see when you look at Earth from space. So in simple physics terms, why does the flat ceiling become curved when viewed through the prism? I find that most Sphere Earth believers are unable to answer this question on the spot. If you know the answer, please type it below in the comments. And how is it that you can take a photograph of New Mexico and it looks exactly like the spherical planets that we see in our night sky, with a perfect sphere, a horizon in the distance on the edge of the planet that gets to more of a bluish color, and it's indistinguishable between that and Mars except to the critical eye? If you know the answer to that question, please type it below in the comments. I would love to hear your feedback on that. In my following video, I'll show how the photograph of New Mexico is obtained, and also discuss the physics of light passing through the air and passing through a prism, in which a visible curvature is formed, which is 100% illusory and is not a true representation of the flat ceiling which is in my house.